Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Django project on Cpanel. First, log in to Cpanel and ensure Python app support is available in your hosting plan. Then open Setup Python app, create a new app, and choose the correct Python version. Next, upload your Django project to a new folder via File Manager. Now, install dependencies by uploading requirements.txt and running pip install-r requirements.txt. Next, set up the app entry point to your project's wsgi.py file path in the Python app settings. Edit .htaccess to redirect all web traffic to the Django WSGI app. Now update settings.py for allowed _hosts static files and the production environment. Run the Django collect static command inside your Python app's virtual environment. Then visit your domain or subdomain to verify Django app is running on Cpanel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.